There was a little girl who had a very naughty cat. The cat would always get into everything and the girl wanted to bathe him. But the cat was very smart and he knew that if the girl bathed him, he would be in trouble. So he pretended to be sick. The girl came home from school one day and found the cat acting very strangely. He was meowing loudly and wouldn't stop staring at her. Then he started to cry. The girl was very worried about her cat, so she took him to the vet. At the vet, the cat pretended to be sick. He hissed and spat and clawed at the girl's hand, but the vet was not fooled. She knew that the cat was just trying to get out of his bath. The vet gave the cat a bath and then gave him a shot. The girl was so embarrassed. She couldn't believe that her cat had pretended to be sick just to avoid a bath, but the vet told her that it's not the cat's fault. It's just that he doesn't like baths.